Hey there, welcome to Dev Chris Tech. Hi, I'm Chris, and today I will be taking you on my software development journey so far. So I've paid for many and different software development courses, and I've learned a lot of things so far. But for the purpose of this video, here, what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing the courses I paid for online, and I'll be sharing it here for you for free. So to help me out to support me on this journey also, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So now let's dive straight into it.
Welcome. My name is Luca, I'm a full-stack Unicore developer and I will be your teacher for this course. I organized the course as a step-by-step procedure to make it predictable, error-proof, easy to perform, easy to understand, and easy to debug. I teach you all what you need to be operative, from the essential developer tools to run a front-end, a back-end, and a database in a local environment. The local environment is an open source repository created by me that you can download and reuse for your projects. The frontend is an open source repository written in React, React Router, Recoil, and Apollo GraphQL. It includes the configuration to make the router work once deployed and it's Kubernetes ready. The backend is an open source repository written in Node.js, Apollo GraphQL, Prisma, and uses PostgreSQL as a database. It includes authentication and it's Kubernetes ready. If you are a beginner, this course shows you how to set up your computer in a way that is fast, simple, portable, and complete. If you are a front-end or back-end developer, this course shows you a way how to make the life easier for you and also for your team. This course is free of charge. Most of the courses of the Full Stack Unicorn series start from a front-end, back-end, and a database running in the local environment. My suggestion after this course is to proceed straight away with the course DevOps Kubernetes Deployment that follows a step-by-step procedure to deploy online with Kubernetes the front-end, the back-end, and the database of this course. Once you deploy a complex app with Kubernetes with a front-end, a back-end, and a database, you will get once for all the full picture. The course is divided into 4 main parts: Introduction, Watch, Do, and Record. In the introduction, I introduce you to the course and this series, and then we do an overview of the open source project that we are going to run in the local environment, the front-end, the back-end, and the database. In the Watch section, I start with the theory behind what we are going to do. Then I show you all the steps of the procedure explained in depth. After, I show you the same steps done in a row without any explanation. In the Do section, I invite you to do all the steps, first a step at a time. Then I show you how to clean up your laptop so you can do it again a few more times to gain confidence and speed for the challenge. In the Record section, I challenge you to do all the steps of the procedure within a time cap. I show you how to use a free screen recording software. Then it's up to you to accept or decline the challenge. A video of you being able to do all the steps of the procedure, it's a good way to finish this course, even if you keep it for yourself. This is what you will be able to do after this course. Able to run a front-end, a back-end, and a database on 2 different virtual machines in a local environment using Docker Desktop. You will be able to test a back-end using Postman and debug a database using Postbird.
So hey guys, thank you very much for following up on this video till the very end. So that's it on today's video. Support me by hitting that subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment also.